Bright Buds, Oggy and T are here. Let's guess the animals found in the farm. Ready for some farm fun? Let's find them together.
Can you guess the first animal? It gives milk, has spots, and says moo. It is a cow. Cows help us by giving milk, and they love eating grass. Now the next animal. This animal runs fast, it can carry riders, and it says neigh. Yes, it is a horse. Horses are strong and graceful animals on the farm. Now kids, can you guess this climber? It eats leaves, has a beard, and it hops around. Yes, it is a goat. Goats are clever and playful farm animals. Can you guess the next cute animal? This fluffy animal says bah, grows wool, and likes to walk in groups. Kids, it is a sheep. Sheep give us wool for warm clothes. Now, listen carefully. This animal clucks. It lays eggs, and it pecks seeds. It is a hen. Hens are very common and useful farm birds. They give us eggs. Now the next one, it says quack. It loves water and it walks in a funny way. Kids, it is a duck. Ducks are excellent swimmers. Now the next animal, it says hee-haw. It has long ears and can carry loads. It is a donkey. Donkeys are hard-working farm animals. Now, the next animal. This animal says oink, loves mud, and has a curly tail. Bright Buds. It is a pig. Pigs are smart and playful farm animals. Now the next one does cock-a-doodle-doo in the morning and has a colorful comb. It is a rooster. Roosters help wake up the whole farm. Kids, now the last animal. This animal says, gobble gobble. It fans its tail and has many feathers. It is a turkey. Turkeys are big and beautiful farm birds.
Great job, Bright Buds. Oggy and T will see you next time.
Bye-bye. Bright Buds.